What if everything you've heard about making money with AI isn't the full picture? Scroll through social media and you'll see endless posts about passive income, automated side hustles, and AI tools that practically run a business for you. It sounds like the perfect opportunity. Finally, a way to earn without burning out. But here's the thing. The story being told isn't always the truth. Beneath the surface, there's a side of this AI gold rush that no one's talking about. A side that's far more complicated, more unstable, and more dangerous than most people realize. Let's break it down, one truth at a time. Here are 10 reasons why making money with AI isn't as simple or as safe as it looks. 10. The tools change too fast. AI tools are changing faster than most people can handle. One moment, a tool seems like the perfect solution. It's reliable, fast, and makes your work easier. But then an update rolls out, a platform gets discontinued, or a new competitor shows up and completely changes the game. If you've built your income around that one tool, it can all fall apart instantly. You're forced to start over, learn a new system, and hope it lasts long enough to be worth the time. This constant cycle of chasing updates and shifting platforms is exhausting, especially if you're not someone who lives and breathes tech. What worked a few months ago might already be outdated. That makes it hard to build anything stable or long-term. If you're not paying close attention and adapting constantly, you risk falling behind. And in this space, falling behind often means losing everything you've built. 9. Everyone's using the same strategy. Once a new AI money-making idea gets popular, like using AI to write books, design t-shirts, or build websites, it spreads fast. People jump in by the thousands. Suddenly, what felt like a smart opportunity becomes a crowded mess. The same AI-generated designs fill marketplaces. The same chatbot-written blogs flood the internet. When everyone is doing the same thing, it gets harder and harder to stand out. And if your work looks like everyone else's, customers stop paying attention. 8. The content is often low quality. AI can produce things quickly, but speed doesn't always mean value. Whether it's writing, design, music, or marketing, a lot of the output feels generic. It might pass for decent at first glance, but the depth, originality, and emotional impact usually isn't there. When you build your income around this kind of content, you're taking a gamble. People can tell when something lacks a human touch, and when they do, they stop trusting it. That means fewer clicks, fewer sales, and less long-term success. 7. The market is already saturated. AI tools are easy to use, and that's part of the problem. Anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can jump in, which means every space is flooded. Blogs, ebooks, design, voiceovers, you name it. Whether it's freelance writing, automated YouTube channels, or digital product stores, the same patterns show up everywhere. Tons of people using the same templates, the same prompts, the same shortcuts. And when everything starts to look and sound the same, it loses value. Prices drop. Quality suffers. Even if your work is better, it gets buried in a pile of sameness. Originality becomes harder to find, and standing out feels impossible. What started as an opportunity becomes a race to the bottom. This saturation isn't just frustrating, it makes it nearly impossible to build something sustainable. The tools are available to everyone, but the real challenge now is cutting through the noise, and that's getting harder by the day. 6. You're building on borrowed ground. Many people using AI to make money are building businesses that rely heavily on platforms they don't control. Whether it's selling AI art on Etsy, running AI blogs on Google, or using AI for affiliate marketing on Amazon, the income depends on someone else's rules. And those rules can change without warning. One policy update or algorithm tweak, and your entire setup can disappear. If you don't own the platform, you don't own the business, and that's a dangerous place to be. 5. Ethics get complicated quickly. Most people using AI aren't thinking about where the data came from. But that data, used to train models for writing, art, coding, and more, often comes from real people's work, without permission. Artists, writers, musicians, even photographers. Many have had their work scraped and used to power tools that now compete with them. And when you use those tools to make money, you're entering a gray area. It's legal in many places, for now, but that doesn't mean it's fair. And in the future, it may not be legal at all. 4. Real success still requires skill. There's a belief that AI levels the playing field, that anyone can win with the right tool. But here's the truth. AI is just a tool. It doesn't replace creativity, strategy, or skill. You still need to know how to market, how to sell, how to build something people care about. If you skip that part, no amount of automation will save you. AI can make the process faster, but it won't fix a bad idea. It won't replace hard work, and it won't magically build a brand people trust. 3. Scams are everywhere. The hype around AI has opened the door for a flood of scams. Courses promising quick riches. Influencers selling you access to secret tools. Platforms charging high fees for access to basic software. Some of these are just overpriced. Others are outright fraud. Many people pour their savings into tools and strategies that never had a chance to work in the first place. And when it all falls apart, they blame themselves. But the truth is, this environment makes it easy to get fooled, because it sells hope in a time of uncertainty. 2. The pressure to keep up is real. Even if you do manage to find success using AI, the pressure doesn't stop. There's always a new tool, a new trend, a faster way to do things. You start optimizing everything: speed, output, reach. But that kind of constant adjustment is exhausting. It's not freedom, it's a different kind of hustle. One where you never feel fully in control. You're always watching your back, waiting for the next disruption, the next wave of competition, or the next platform change. That kind of pressure can burn people out fast. 1. It's not passive income. This might be the hardest truth to accept. AI makes things easier, but it doesn't make them automatic. People talk about passive income as if you can just press a button and watch the money flow. But even the most automated AI business still needs time, strategy, updates, and effort. You have to manage it, fix problems, keep learning, keep adapting. That's not passive. It's just work with different tools. And if you go in expecting hands-off income, you're likely to walk away disappointed. So, what does all of this mean? It doesn't mean you shouldn't use AI. It doesn't mean it's impossible to make money with it. In fact, there are people out there doing incredibly creative, valuable work with the help of AI. But the difference is, they're not relying on shortcuts. They're not pretending it's easy. They're treating AI as a tool, not a magic solution. If you want to succeed in this space, you have to stay grounded, keep learning, understand the platforms you're using, protect your work, and build something real, something that lasts longer than the latest tech trend. And here's where I want to help you take the right next step. If you're serious about making money with AI, especially using powerful tools like ChatGPT and OpenAI's new video model Sora, I've got you covered. I've created a full video playlist walking you through 20 actual ways to monetize ChatGPT and Sora in real life. From content creation to automation, it's packed with examples, tips, and real strategies, not just hype. Watch the full playlist here. Whether you're just starting out or trying to level up your strategy, these videos can give you a much clearer and more realistic path forward. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. We're here for real talk, honest advice, and smarter strategies for the world we're building. Thanks for watching, and remember, the real power isn't in the tool, it's in how you use it.